What did you say?
Hello.
Derpy. Mommy says Derpy is a retard.
She didn't get smacked.
Daddy never told me
Butter?
what that is.
What's your line?
What?
Yay.
Yeah.
No! That was not your line. You're supposed to say that bitch needs to get laid. I was supposed to say laid. No, that's deserving for people. That's left for people who deserve it. What she deserves is a brick upside her head.
Oh my god. Okay, you guys are killing me.
Okay, let's get to the stuff we haven't heard already because I can make comedy gold out of the stuff to come.
Okay.
Derpy really likes when Daddy comes home.
She really likes it.
I wonder how good she likes it.
She really likes it.
I wonder how good she likes it.
You guys.
You know what I'm implying.
Yeah, I know. Because Daddy is nice and plays with Derpy.
Yeah.
Talks to Derpy. Mommy always says, Derpy, go play somewhere else.
What the hell do you do? Drink a 12 ouncer? Daddy must have freaking. Daddy must have. God damn it! What's the name of that disease? I can't remember anymore. Daddy. Vinno, that was the joke I was going for. Daddy plays with Derpy a lot. He plays with her, but it sounds like Daddy has some schizophrenic issues because he's happy one second, he's like, "Get the fuck out of my face!" You worthless little bitch.
You're not good to me anymore. Get the
You're
fuck
not
out.
You're not good to me anymore. I've gotten so sick of
It's
you.
Mommy who said that.
Okay.
It's Mommy.
Okay,
Not
guys, let's calm down.
Mommy?
It's Mommy, not Daddy.
Keep
That's
reading.
written poorly because I thought that was Daddy you
Alex,
said.
go. Keep reading.
Okay. Okay.
Keep on reading.
Okay. Mommy is always doing things like cleaning.
Cleaning supplies.
Mommy plays with Daddy and Daddy plays with Derpy. That was a good one. That was a good one. Touche.
Oh god.
A lot of playing going on. There's only one person getting fucked in this entire situation.
Oh god.
Okay, guys, calm down. Okay, next joke. Okay, next
Mommy
one.
is always doing things like things, and even though Derpy tries to help, she makes a
We're
mess
making it
because
for
she
a
moves so good, and Mommy cries sometimes too. And then Mommy has to take medicine to make her stop crying.
Then Mommy goes and cries in the corner while listening to crawl in my skin.
I'm afraid that is medicine. May I just say, pills here.
Pills.
Drugs. Here, get your drugs. Fresh drugs. Fresh drugs. I pulled them straight off the plant. Who wants some?
Has to take medicine to make her
Why
stop
does
crying.
her mommy sound like some emo bastard? Seriously, I'm expecting them to be sitting in the corner listening, crawling in my skin themselves.
Oh god.
She's a
Mommy is happy, and Derpy is happy, and Miss Sweetie is happy. And when Derpy smells muffin smell, Derpy gets really happy.
Oh gosh.
She doesn't have a microphone.
I do.
Alright.
Derpy's
3, 2,
Derpy's
1,
real
go.
fast.
Wait, why isn't it starting?
Wait.